Number 5. Basic parameters. Hello all of you, back with video Allplan tutorial engineering. From the previous lesson, we learned about the object palette and the planes palette to manage Allplan objects. This time I will introduce you to basic parameters in a drawing file. 1. Scale. Many other software, when drafting drawings, we need to show not only one but many different scales. Allplan provides us with many types of scale in accordance with the regulations of each type of drawing. We will select here to get the desired scale for each part of the drawing. For example, the site plan is 1:200 or 1:500. For the elevation we choose 150. For sections, choose 120 or 125. In case the scale is not available, select the reference scale tool to enter the desired scale. For example, you enter 300 to get 1/300 scale. We also need to choose to set up for the whole project. For example, Europe is usually centimeters. In Vietnam, usually choose millimeters. Coordinate. For this part, you're probably familiar with many other geometry modeling software. Then in Allplan, there are 3 types of coordinates: local perpendicular coordinates, Descartes, O, X, Y, Z, local cylindrical coordinates, O, R, theta, Z, and the overall perpendicular coordinates, Descartes, O, X, Y, Z. Drawing type. The ultimate purpose of a detailed deployment software is drawings, and of course, the objects must be displayed according to a uniform style. In case your drawings have small scope, you can select each object or section to adjust manually. I will introduce this later. However, in cases where there are many similar objects, you must display them in the drawing consistently, and Allplan gives you a feature to set the display for each type of line and surface in a uniform drawing. You choose this symbol, select the default, choose Define, Manage line styles, area styles, drawing types. Here we can set the display for each type of line or surface for many different types of drawings. You can see many types of drawings here: design drawings, reinforcement drawings, etc. And we will set up each type of line here and display surface here. For example, representation of concrete material in rebar drawings, we choose color 28. After setup, then you select on OK. Finally, on the plane view, you select the type of drawing here that you want. For example, I choose reinforcement drawing. Then the material will be displayed according to the setting we just defined. And so, we have completed some basic parameters in Allplan. In the next lesson, we will begin to obtain 3D model data with some of methods.